Hey, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying issue of failing to send a message on your phone. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve many issues on your phone, including fail to send message. To restart your phone, press and hold the power button until you see a menu. Then, tap Restart or Power Off and On. Wait for your phone to boot up and then try sending a message again. If this method works for you, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Check for updates. Another possible reason for failing to send the message is that your phone or your messaging app is outdated. To check for updates, go to the Settings app and scroll down to About Phone. Then, tap System Update or Software Update and see if there is any new version available. If there is, tap Download and install and follow the instructions. Similarly, you can check for updates for your messaging app by going to the Play Store and searching for the app. If there is an update, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Then, try sending a message again and see if the problem is solved. Method 3. Clear your messages cache. The last method that I'm going to show you is to clear your messages cache. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Apps or Applications. Tap Manage Apps and find the Messages app. Tap the Messages app and then tap Storage or Data Usage. Tap Clear Cache in the bottom right corner and confirm your action. This will delete the cache data of your Messages app and free up some space. Then, try sending a message again and see if it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.